In this lecture I will show you how to make a selection by using ArcGIS environmental. Normally selection we can do three kinds of tools. First one is we can use by select by attributes. Second one is select by location. Third option is select by selection through tool. First of all, we will go through select by attributes, how we are selecting the particular attributes from the geographical data set. Okay, let's go for ArcGIS. I have two layers. First one is towns, second one is Ramya villages. It's having some kind of attributes like towns having the name, population, zones, rainfall, everything available in town layer. We take the Oromia villages. It contains the Oromia villages name, which is it is coming under the which administrative zones. What is the Varda name, village code, everything is available. Okay, let's go for the first option, select by attributes. Here go to the selection, select the select by attributes. Okay, here I want to select the particular town name. Suppose I want to select the particular town name equal to, so I want to select the zone name equal to Bale. I want a particular zone name by using the Bale. How we go to select the Bale zone? Go to here you go to zone equal to get inequalities. Here just click it Bale, then apply it, then okay. You can see these all are selected points from the Bale zone. You can look at the attribute table. You can see the attribute table. You can select the what are the Bale zones are available. It will show. Okay, within the Bale zone it already selected. Suppose I want to select the from these layers, from the Oromia village layers. I want to select the particular villages. We have to go to the properties, go to the definition query, query filter. Here I want to select the particular village name, then get inequalities. Suppose I want to select the Amaya villages, this village. Double click it, then okay, apply, then okay. You can see this one is from the Amaya villages. You can open the attribute table. You can see all the particular village administrative boundary coming in the Amaya village. Suppose I want to remove the selection from the data set. Here you go to the selection, then you go to otherwise here selection option. Here right click properties, just to remove it, just remove the your query expression, then apply. Okay, it's showing the entire village, entire data set of the particular Oromia administration zone. Okay, first we already how we are using the select by attribute. Second one is we want to select the Bale zone. How to zone name must be a Bale and the shape area must be this. How we go to carry out this? Here right click, properties, here make a query, zone name equal to get uniqueness Bale, and area must be this, more than 59,000 some digit we have to take. Here area shape. This one is the shape area greater than this value, greater than this value. Then okay, apply. Okay, then zoom to layer. Those are the areas, the particular area it is already selected. Okay, then we got to go for the how we are using the select by location. Here you have to remove the query, apply. Already came select by location. Here go to the selection, select by location. Here select from which layer you want to select. I am using the Oromia villages. Then from the what selectable layers you have to use. I am using the towns. Then I want to select the particular town 12 kilometers from the point to this point. This is a point down. In this point, first we go to clear the selection, clear selected feature. From the town 12 kilometer, what are the boundaries touching in the particular administrative boundary, we go to select it. Here go to the selection, select by location, click Oromia village. Here you go to use the 12 kilometers. Here you use the area within the distance of source file. I am using kilometers. Sometimes you want to use the meters, inches, anything you can use depending upon the application. I am using the kilometers. Then apply.